I'm John, your teacher. This is TOEFL Vocabulary Practice, Part 3. Exercise 1. Once an obscure figure in the art world, something changed dramatically. The sudden emergence of this little-known artist into the public eye marked a surprising event. A few months ago, she was creating art in her small studio, unknown to the world. Now, her work is being exhibited in prestigious galleries worldwide. The word emergence is most similar in meaning to appearance, vanishing, talent, presentation. That's right, it's A, appearance. Exercise 2. Navigating unfamiliar terrains always requires extreme caution. In the dense forest, the explorers were constantly vigilant of the peril that could be lurking just beyond their sight, knowing that the region was a habitat for several predator species. Their survival depended on their wisdom and luck. The word peril is most similar in meaning to safety, danger, atmosphere, protection. That's right, it's B, danger. Exercise 3. The newly introduced policy has had a profound impact on the working conditions in the company. Employees have reported improved job satisfaction, lower stress levels, and better work-life balance. The change is not only beneficial for the workforce, but also positively affects the company's productivity. The word profound is most similar in meaning to superficial, shallow, deep, insignificant. That's right, it's C, deep. Exercise 4. Her tenacity was indeed admirable. Despite facing numerous setbacks and challenges in her project, she continued to persevere, constantly learning and adapting. Her unwavering commitment ultimately led to the successful completion of the project. The word tenacity is most similar in meaning to energy, talent, determination, failure. That's right, it's C, determination. Exercise 5. The novel was a fusion of several genres, blending elements of mystery, romance, and fantasy, and creating a unique concoction that captivated readers' imaginations, making the book an instant bestseller. Critics praised its innovative narrative and complex characters, highlighting its fresh take on genre fiction. The word fusion is most similar in meaning to combination, disconnection, chemistry, separation. That's right, it's A, combination. Exercise 6. Governance issues can take various forms, affecting entire nations. This country, for instance, has been grappling with rampant corruption for several years, which, despite various countermeasures taken by the government, continues to pervade many levels of administration. The word rampant is most similar in meaning to controlled, imbalanced, widespread, limited. That's right, it's C, widespread. Exercise 7. In the midst of urban hustle and bustle, the park serves as a peaceful sanctuary for city dwellers. The lush greenery, chirping birds, and gentle rustle of leaves provide a much needed escape from the constant noise and commotion. Many people come here to unwind, exercise, or simply enjoy a moment of quiet reflection. The word sanctuary is most similar in meaning to paradise, turmoil, disturbance, refuge. That's right, it's D, refuge. Exercise 8. The pursuit of responsible business practices is gaining momentum worldwide. A clear example is the use of sustainable materials, becoming an integral part of a company's manufacturing process, highlighting their commitment to reducing the carbon footprint and promoting responsible consumption. The word sustainable is most similar in meaning to maintainable, limited, infinite, fleeting. That's right, it's A, maintainable. Exercise 9. The magnitude of the disaster was truly overwhelming. Entire communities were devastated, infrastructure destroyed, and thousands of people displaced. As relief efforts continue, the long-term impacts of this event on the affected regions remain uncertain. The word magnitude is most similar in meaning to insignificance, triviality, surprise, enormity. That's right, it's D, enormity. Exercise 10. Teamwork thrives on mutual respect and clear communication. A shining example is this team's cohesion, evident in their seamless coordination, with each member contributing their unique skills and expertise towards the common goal. The word cohesion is most similar in meaning to chaos, disagreement, unity, conflict. That's right, it's C, unity. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.